Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful crochet. I will share you crochet table dollies ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is classic round crochet table dollies. Today I am sharing a beautiful round crochet table dollies design. This is a classic and elegant pattern, perfect for home decoration. This design starts from a small center circle and slowly grows into a delicate lace pattern. Each stitch is made with care, creating a soft and detailed look. You can use white yarn for a traditional style or light pastel color for a modern touch. This dolly is perfect for coffee tables, side table, or tray. It adds a clean and elegant feel to any space. Handmade items like this bring beauty and warmth into the home. So take your time, enjoy the process, and create something truly special. And friends, next idea is flower crochet table dollies. So weavers, look at this beautiful flower crochet table dollies. This design is inspired by flowers and every round and a new layer of beauty. The center looks like a blooming flower and the outlayers speared like petal. You can use colorful yarn like pink, yellow or green to make it bright and cheerful. This dolly is perfect for spring decoration. And the weavers, so friends, so next idea is weavers. Simple crochet dolly. This pattern uses base stitch, so it is easy to follow the round shape through step by step, making it perfect for learning. You can practice your skill while creating something beautiful. And friends, even simple designs look very elegant when finished. So use soft yarn color for clean and modern look. This is a great project for anyone starting crochet. Easy, relaxing, and beautiful. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care. and Khuda Hafiz, viewers.